Alright, today I'm going to show you how to operate the bright headlights on the Ford Escape 2018 model. But first, can you give me a like down there? Thanks a lot for watching. So first of all, you got to make sure your headlights are on. As you can see, the headlights are on. You can either have them on or in the automatic setting, okay? Alright, so, alright, I have them on, and now, once the headlights are on, they're actually in the on position. I am going to press this lever right here on the left-hand side, forward. And you see that? It lights up on the dashboard, just like that, right? It shows that the bright headlights are on. Now, to turn them off, I'm just going to pull it back that way, and you see the light goes off. But I also can flash the bright headlights by doing this trick right here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, that's how you turn on the headlights, or not the headlights, the bright headlights, or the high beam lights on the 2018 Ford Escape. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.